Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by here. If you watched or if you tried to watch yesterday's video, I sincerely apologize. It did not record my audio, but I have the audio working right now. So let's get right into this market chart. Not much has changed since yesterday, so that is a great thing. So I want to point out here, we're in a major uptrend here for the market. I'm going to go over some support levels and resistance levels. So right here, we've got this major uptrend right here. You can see there it is. You can see it started here. Boom, there's a bounce. Boom, another bounce just recently right there. Very bullish action. The other thing I want to point out too is if you draw a Fibonacci retracement level from right, actually, you know what? I'm going to cover the support level first before I cover the Fibonacci retracement level because it tends to kind of cloud things up with all the lines on it. So the support level that we bounced at as well, right about 2720, if you're looking at the S&P 500, right about here. So why is this a support level? Why did we bounce from here? Why is it important? Well, because you can see right there, it was resistance. We traded sideways for about 2.5 weeks right between these two levels here against that same level. Here again for about a week and a half, we traded sideways right here. That's how support and resistances are created, is by sideways trading. Okay, if you look at, kind of this action here, and the reason we were able to just slice through this within a couple of days is because we didn't really trade sideways. Okay, we went kind of straight up. Right here, we had some, pitter-patter sideways action, but nothing like this, and nothing like that, okay? We held above the 20-day moving average, so it didn't create a lot of support on the way down, on the way up, so that way, it's easy to slice through it on the way down. And that's why we bounced at this level, because we finally came into a level that had some previous sideways trading action at it. Okay, so the other thing I want to point out is the Fibonacci retracement level right here. If you draw it from this low right here to this major high right there, you can see it bounce right off of that 61.8. You can see this is where the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, it's that brown line. So we have three things lining up together, all in this same area right around 2720. We've got the trend line, we've got the support line, and we've got the Fibonacci retracement level as well. So three things lining up, and this is what I like to talk about a lot here. So this is familiar territory if you watch a lot of these videos that I produce, is that when you have a confluence of levels, when you've got, 2 to 4 things lining up, a support level, a moving average, a trend line, a Fibonacci retracement level, and so on and such forth. And they're all lining up to the same area, similar to what we're seeing right here around this area. The probabilities of that level getting a reaction, particularly in this instance, we're looking for a bounce. The odds are very high because we have a lot of things lining up in that same zone. Okay, so I like it for a bounce around where we're at, okay, and a little bit lower. So if we come back down to last week's low, to me this is a buying opportunity. Okay, it's a buying opportunity because last time we saw a reaction, clearly you see it reacted off of it. Okay, we bounced at it here, kind of traded sideways, and then boom, got this pop right there. So clearly we're reacting off of this level. I think this is a buying opportunity, and that we will head higher in sometime in the near term. All right. The next thing I want to discuss is some resistance. So I'm going to get rid of all these lines here so that we can discuss the resistance now. Now I'm going to go over, and this is more of a kind of a longer term view of the market. I definitely think we'll bounce here in the near term, but what happened a couple weeks ago was kind of somewhat troubling here for the market. I'm going to go over exactly why. So we have these previous all-time highs right here. All right, right there was that previous all-time high. So We broke over that all-time high right here. It created support right there, bounced off of it just like you want it, just like you would want it to do. We came down here, it bounced off of it just a little bit, just like you want it to do. But then we sliced right back under it, okay? Sliced right back under it. And, you know, we actually really broke over these all-time highs. We didn't just break over it for a day and then kind of break back under it. That wouldn't have been a big deal. But since we broke over it and kind of held above those previous all-time highs for several weeks, this is almost 2 months, almost 2 months of trading above that previous all-time high, you would want it to hold, okay? You really want it to hold. That's what it needs to do. But it didn't do that, okay? It didn't do that, so that is troublesome here for the market, okay? So not only that, so that is going to be a level of resistance above us. So if we head higher, like I think we will do here in the near term, that's a big level of resistance. It was the previous all-time high. You can see it was previous support, previous support. That previous support is now going to turn into resistance. So that's a level. We also have the 50-day moving average, which is the red line right here, lining up at that level. So that's two things. We've got the resistance level. We've got the 50-day moving average. That's two things. And now we have Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from the high here to the low here, you can see we've got the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level lining up perfectly right on the dot on that resistance level, as well as the 50-day moving average as well. So we've got a lot of things lining up. We've got three things, just like we have on the bounce zone. We've got three levels in the same area, a confluence of levels. Same thing on the rejection end up here for that resistance. We've got three things, resistance, Fibonacci retracement level, and the 50-day moving average all lining up at the same area. If we head higher, to me, that is a short zone up at 2880 if you're looking at the S&P 500. And I'm not saying that this is going to be the top for the market or anything like that. You know, that's looking way, way too far ahead. And I think the only people that know what's going to happen that far in advance in the market is nobody. Okay, so nobody knows what's going to happen that far in advance in the market. And I don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow. Okay, I'm just using the probabilities, and the probabilities are favoring a near-term bounce and a rejection once we get up to this level here. So that's what I'm seeing in the market, and I hope this really helps you out. Which brings me to my next statement here for you. Let me get a sip of my green juice really quick. Ask yourself these three questions, okay? Ask these questions honestly to yourself. Answer them honestly, okay? Number one, are you making the kind of money in the market that you know is possible and that you know that you can be making? Are you leaving money on the table? Okay? Question number two, are you working with a proven mentor who's helping you achieve your goals of becoming consistently profitable in the market? Question number three, do you miss trades because you lack either the confidence or the knowledge or both? Okay, really think about those questions, all right? Because a way to get the right answers to those questions is by joining our premium service here at TheTradingAnalyst.com. The main thing that you're going to get access to are the real-time, easy-to-follow trade alerts, which are always pre-researched by me. These are both buy and sell alerts sent via text message with exact entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. All right, and this is going to allow you to start making money in the market, you know, right now. Okay, not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but right now. And the reason you're going to be able to do that is because you're going to be able to use a proven system, a proven process that's already working. It's worked before you got here, and it's going to work whether or not you join. And all you have to do is join in order to start using that proven process. Okay, it works in both up and down markets. A lot of people are, you know, asking me questions. You know, well, are you making money right now in this down market? And I say yes. Okay, yes. Our alerts have been profitable for the last several weeks. They've been profitable before that, but I'm just highlighting the last several weeks. The market has been heading lower and been choppy. We are making money at this moment, so you can don't have to worry about our strategies working in up or down markets. And this is going to save you time, because what you're likely doing right now is spending a lot of time watching YouTube videos, or doing a bunch of analysis on charts, or following people on Twitter, or watching CNBC, reading news articles, and at the end of the day, that's not producing any results for you. Okay? There's a reason why you're here, and it's because you want better results in the stock market. And it's going to save you time. I'll get to my point. It's going to save you time because you're no longer going to have to do that. Okay? You're no longer going to have to waste your time doing all that stuff, because we do that for you. Okay? I'm a professional. This is what I do full time. I look at charts. I watch the news. Okay? I regularly do this stuff every single day to ensure that I'm making money in the market, and to ensure that all of my members are doing the same as well. So it's going to save you time. It's also going to allow you to trade from anywhere, okay? Because all you need is a cell phone, okay, to make money in the market, period, and also to have success within the service here. And if you have a full-time job, part-time job, if you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, anything under the sun, if you're a retiree, you're going to be able to have success, because all you need is a cell phone. You're going to be able to participate in these trades regardless of where you are, the home, office, anywhere. And the goals here for the easy to follow real-time trade alerts are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month, and that number varies. Sometimes we make less than 8, sometimes we make more than 10, just depending on the market action. For example, right now we have already more than 10 winning trades this month, a lot more than that actually, just because we've seen a lot of volatility, and there's a lot of volatility, there's a lot of options for trading, and so we focus on quality and not quantity. When the market doesn't present a lot of opportunity, we pull back, and we don't just trade to trade, okay? We don't treat this like a casino. We treat this like a serious business, because it is serious business, and that's how you make consistent returns over time. So the next goal here is 100% to 500% returns per trade, and if that seems high, it's because we trade options, and not only we trade options, but we trade options very well, and that's how we're able to achieve returns of 100% to 500% returns consistently, week in and week out. I think we have 2 trades already that we alerted at over 100% returns just today. Just today, over 100% returns per trade just today. So that was a big day for us. It happens on a regular and consistent basis. We have 100%. The next goal here is $100,000 in annual returns for each of our members. And that number is very, very realistic for you when you're making the kinds of trades that we're making. Again, we have 200% winners today alone. Today alone, over 200% winners today alone. So that number is very, very realistic for you. And this program here, the Millionaire Trader Blueprint, is what we call it, is what the service is called. It has everything that you need to be successful. Not just these real-time trade alerts. Okay, you're also getting the Option Accelerator course, the extensive educational video library, the Millionaire Trader videos, the professional trading watch list. The number one reason why people fail in the market is because, well, there's a lot of reasons that people fail in the market, but one of the main reasons they fail in the market is because they're not coming prepared every single day with a plan of action. Right? And they don't have the discipline to stick to it. So we come every single day prepared to make money in the market, prepared for what's going to happen in both directions, okay? And that's why we're able to remain consistently profitable, is because of that preparation, and you are getting that preparation when you join with those professional trading watch lists. The next thing here is you can ask me anything at any time. You've got almost 24 access to me, a professional and profitable trader. I've been doing this for almost a decade, and you have me in your back pocket. You can access me via email or text. I'm here to help you with anything you need in the market. All right, so don't hesitate. Don't be shy. I love to help you. All right, the next thing here, the last thing is the private mastermind community. We're going to be able to learn from not only myself, but mix and mingle with other professional traders here, many of which are making over 6 figures annually in the market. So you get to access a community of like-minded people. Everyone has the same goal in mind, and that's how you succeed in really anything in life, is by hanging around people that all have the same goal in mind. And the best thing here is you have the potential to make the biggest profits of your life. Okay, I know that sounds like a big promise, but it's really true, because anything is possible in the stock market. There is no ceiling. Okay, there is no ceiling in the market. You can make as much money that you can think of. Okay, if you have that proven process, if you have a community, if you have mentors, you can do anything that you want in the market, and it's my job to help you do just that. All right, and you can get started today for only $6.99. Okay, only for $6.99. It's a limited time offer that we have right now, and that $6.99 gives you access for the entire year, 12 months of access to the Millionaire Trader program. And I want to put that in perspective for you, okay? Because if you broke it down into monthly payments, again, just to clarify, it is a single payment of $6.99, but if it were broken down into 50 monthly payments, it would break down to $58 a month, which is cheaper than your cell phone bill. Okay, I don't know about you, but my cell phone bill is $100 a month, including my wife. It's over $200 a month. Okay, if you broke it down into a daily rate, it'd be $1.90, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. So the difference here between cell phone bill and coffee a day is not only is this cheaper in the monetary sense, but it also is going to give you a return on your investment, because that's what this is. Okay, this is an investment, and it has the potential to return so much more on your investment every single day. We're issuing alerts. You have potential to make money every single day on your cell phone. Coffee, once you spend that money, it's gone. Okay, you get your cell phone, you get your coffee, but that's it. You don't get any return on your investment other than that. And I want to warn you that this special offer, it is a special offer, and it is ending soon. If the page that you visit, the checkout page, if it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it, and you're not going to be let in. And I'm really serious about that, guys. You really need to act quickly. And by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. Okay, we have to limit the amount of people that we let in, because myself and my team are investing our personal time and attention into helping every single member succeed and giving you the attention that you deserve and that you need to be consistently profitable in the market. So that's why we have to limit the amount of people that we let in. We have a few openings right now, so you need to act quick so you can ensure that you get one of those spots. So once the capacity is met, then that's it. 0 people are going to be let in. All right? So once you join here, you're going to be able to say goodbye to wasting hours of your time looking at a bunch of charts or news articles or CNBC only for it to produce poor results. Okay, say goodbye to that. You're going to be able to say goodbye to stressing and worrying and getting frustrated about finding a strategy that you can count on for both up and down markets. You can say goodbye to guessing when it comes to finding winning trades, because now you're going to have the confidence and the proven system that's going to get you results, and it's going to make you a better trader. I guarantee it. All right? The next thing here is you can say goodbye to wondering what it's like to be consistently profitable in the market, because now you're going to have the opportunity to make money every single day. Again, we made 200% winners today in the market on a day where most people struggled. And that's just one day. This just happens to be one day that we're talking about right here. All right? And for the price of a coffee a day, you can make daily profits like these. These are my profits. But when you join here, you're going to get instant access to every trade that I make in real time. So I made gains of $800 on this day. $1,900 bucks. On this day, 72, 1,700, $2,800, and right here, over here, $450 right there. You're getting instant access to every single trade that I make. And I'll move my face really quick here. So these are just a few examples of people who became members after watching videos just like the one that you're watching. So Ryan here, he made almost 7,000 bucks in just a couple of weeks after joining. Okay, 7,000 bucks in a couple of weeks. Next we have Ron here, and he made $8,300 in just a month of being a member. His first month of being a member, he joined after watching a video just like this that you're watching right now. He made $8,300. Real members, real profits, real results. And this is Kevin here. And Kevin, a little backstory, he's brand new to trading when he joined with us. And his first day of trading, okay, his first day of trading, he had paper traded before that, but his first day of trading real money, he made $2,000 in his first day. Just over, actually, 2,000 bucks right here, as you can see from his brokerage statement that he sent us right there. Over 2,000 bucks on his first day of trading. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make 2,000 bucks in your first day. You know, it depends on the day that we're having and your account value and all that stuff. But this is what's possible. This is what's possible when you join here. And I want this for you. I want this for you. It's very possible for you to have this same kind of success. And I want you to have success in the market. I want to help you along the way. And in order to help you, you got to join and become a member, and then I'll be able to help you every single day. So here's what you need to do right now is you need to click on the button below this video, fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. Then you can get started with the training material, the options masterclass, and all of the educational video library that we have for you. And then all you have to do is get ready for the trade alerts. As soon as you enter in your phone number, you're going to be entered into our text alert system, and you're going to be able to start receiving those alerts and making profitable trades right away. So don't wait another second to sign up, guys. So now all you got to do is scroll below this video here, and you can see everything that you're going to get when you join us today. And keep scrolling down to this box right here. This is where the special offer is. Click this button right here, add to cart at 85% off, and you're going to get that special deal when you click that right there. And it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. And then all you're going to do is enter in your name, your email, choose a password, enter in your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that can receive the text alerts here. And as soon as you enter that, you're going to get entered into our alert system, and you're going to be able to start receiving those trade alerts. Then enter in your billing information, and then click submit order. Before you click submit order, agree to the terms of service, or you can check out using PayPal. It's totally up to you. That option is available for you if you would like it. So that's it. As soon as you click those buttons, you're going to be submitted into our system and entered, and you're going to become a member here. And I look forward to seeing you in there. I look forward to helping you grow your account on a consistent basis and helping you become a better trader every single day. So I hope to see you in there, and I'll see you guys next time.